Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a customer server tag in Discord. First, open Google Chrome and search for discord.com. Now, log in and click on your server from the left sidebar to enter your server. Then, click on your server name at the top left and select Server Settings from the drop-down. Now, click on Roles from the left-hand menu. Here, click on the Create Role button. Now, type a role name like Gamers. This is the tag that will appear under the user names of selected members. Then, pick a role color to help it stand out in the member list. For example, you could choose green for gamers or purple for moderators. Once you've made your changes, click Save Changes at the bottom. Now, go back by clicking in the server name again and open Server Settings. Then, click on Members under the User Management section. Here, you'll see a list of members in your server. Click the three dots next to member's name, then select roles and choose the custom tag you just created. This will assign it to them. Now, click on Return to the General from the top right corner to go back to your main text channel. Click the plus icon in the message box. Here, you'll see quick tools like Use Apps, Create Thread, and Upload a File. These help with engagement and making announcements. Now, type a message like Welcome to the server if you see the new Gamers tag under your name. This way, your customer server tag becomes visible and you've added it successfully to selected members. For more information, check out the links given in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.